Hey guys, welcome to this another blog of Weird Java. Today I'm going to show you few things about try catch in Java, which are mostly popular in Java interviews questions. So let's start. So I have this a main method, static main method, and I have written few snippets for try catch blocks, which are mostly used in Java interviews. So I'm gonna comment out these and let's start with the first one. So this is normal try and catch block with the exception I am printing. So this is just start. So let me format it. So try catch is mostly used to handle exception in the Java. So normally if I run this code, this will print the exception, which is arithmetic exception divided by 0. So this is normal case we have, but let's check the another case where we have the exception hierarchy and the multiple catch blocks. So for this try and catch block, I have written the statements like this, where I have division by 0 statement, and then array. I have created one array and I'm getting the index from the array, which is not present obviously. So this will throw array out of bound exception. But here, if I change this exception hierarchy to this will give an error saying unreachable catch block for array out of bound exception, because we are writing this exception hierarchy in incorrect order. So the correct order is this is higher exception class and this is lower, like so. This is parent exception class, I can say, and these are the some child classes or lower exception classes, I can say. So to handle this properly, we need to write in this way. Again, the second thing is here we can have multiple catch blocks. So here I can have array, I have array of index out of bound exception, and again I can have similarly file not found exception below this. So I can also write like this, file not found exception. Okay, so what's wrong with this? Okay, so I can have multiple catch blocks like this. Here I have file not found exception, and then array index out of bound exception, and then exception. So this is exception hierarchy we need to consider in mind while handling exceptions along with multiple catch blocks. Okay, let's comment out these. Then we have like try without catch. So this is also a popular question being asked in the interviews, that can we have try without catch? So yes, this is possible with finally block. So yeah, if I run this, yeah, the final block is executed and the exception, it is throwing arithmetic exception by 0, divide by 0. Next we have try and finally when system.exit called. So interviewer may ask that is finally block always executed? So it is no. If the file, if we call system.exit before finally block, then finally block will not be executed. So to show you this, Let me run this. So here we are getting only divide by zero exception, which I am printing here, and then I have called this system.exit, which will not run finally block. So if I comment out this and run it again, then we will have this finally block executed. Okay, so let's move to another one. So finally I have try with resource, which is also asked in few interviews. So to have this try with resource, we need the resource which implements at a closable resource or interface, I can say. So let's try this snippet. Here I have written try with resource as a scanner, and I'm trying to read this new file, myfile.txt, and inside while block I am trying to read the content from the file, and in the exception or catch block I have handled this file not found exception. So if I run this block, I am getting this file not found exception, and the system is not able to find this specified file. So what happened mostly earlier to Java 7 versions, so developer needs to handle this resource. So developer needs to close this. So system scanner we have created, so we need to close this sc.close. So now onwards we have this try with resource, so this will close the resource automatically after execution the code. So that's it all have for this. If you find this useful, do let me know in the comments.